In Hamilton tonight, the city's Juravinski Cancer Centre is raising awareness about recovery and research for treatment. As Jason Guidola tells us, a Milton woman says she was diagnosed with cancer twice in the past 6 years and says everyone should get checked regularly.
So follow up every year. You can't tell how quickly things are going to change.
At 61 years young, Sharon Walker is looking forward to more family time and vacations after surviving cancer twice. Today, she's sending a message to everyone to do your annual checkups.
I believe the tumor that they removed under my arm was 3 centimeters, and the one in my breast was a collection of 2 tumors that measured a total of 7 centimeters. And that's in 6 months.
Walker says she is a survivor of breast cancer and leukemia, illnesses she battled in the last 6 years. It all started back in 2014 when she had a clean screening, but then 6 months later, tumors developed and she had a mastectomy. She began chemo right away and recovered. Fast forward to just last year, she began to feel ill again.
I was just bruising. I had bruises on my arms, I had bruises on my legs, and lots of them all of a sudden, like almost overnight. I went for blood work, and my doctor called me back the very next day and said, Sharon, get to the hospital right away. And this was the height of COVID.
Sharon says she was also feeling fatigued at the time, but didn't think it was medical because of a recent job loss. Doctors at Juravinski Cancer Centre then administered chemotherapy again, and she became eligible for a stem cell transplant. Hamilton Health Sciences says here at Juravinski Cancer Centre, it's the only hospital in the region that treats all forms of cancer, and its doctors and staff support more than 26,000 cancer patients a year. The Juravinski medical team who treated Walker is telling people to book an appointment if they feel it's needed. Dr. Kylie Lepik says throughout the pandemic, treatment for blood cancers have not slowed down.
We're learning more about cancers, which is fantastic. And it means that there are newer treatments that we can use. And it also means that more patients are going to be eligible for treatments than ever before.
Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation is ramping up awareness about cancer care and research through its annual fundraiser, Illuminight, which has raised more than $500,000 in donations since 2018.
All of our patients, and Sharon, I think all of our patients are quite motivated to get through transplant, to get to the point of transplant.
I think it's just within me to want to be here. I mean, I want to see what the next, hopefully, 30 years have in store for me.
Jason Guidola, CHCH News.